Today we have the 2020 Ford Fiesta. This vehicle has done just under 55,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On our screen, we can access navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Full Pass Connect, emergency assistance, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel in the middle. If we press our mode button, we can switch between normal and eco.